Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get the service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Good morning, everyone. Tina, say hi. Good morning. Today I'm going to go to work and we're doing a Chuseok special live because Chuseok is coming up next week on Tuesday, and so we have a 3-day holiday for Chuseok. And Chuseok is a Korean mid-autumn festival or harvest festival / Korean Thanksgiving where people go back home and celebrate with their family. At my work we decided to do a Chuseok special live, and we're going to wear hanboks, which is the Korean traditional dresses, and we're going to do a rice cake mukbang as well as look at music videos with Korean traditional theme. That's what I'm doing at work today. And then this whole weekend my mom and I are going to get ready for Chuseok with my paternal grandparents' side. We are going to prepare some food, so stay tuned for that. But right now I'm going to introduce you guys to some products that I've been loving recently. This video is actually in collaboration with Wishtrend, and I have some products from Wishtrend and Claire's here today, and I will be showing you guys all these products that I've been using and have been loving. So first in the morning I've been using this green tea enzyme powder from Wishtrend, and I don't know if you guys have ever used enzyme powder face washes. I'm so used to foam cleansing or gel cleansing or oil cleansing, but never enzyme powder cleansing. But this actually, it looks like this powder, and then you mix it with water and it turns bubbly. So if you rub it, it dissolves and it turns into just a water with bubbles. And it makes your face feel so soft after you use it. Definitely doesn't leave you feeling dry at all. It's perfect for the mornings when you just want to feel, you know, fresh but not squeaky clean or feel stripped of all your natural oils. If you leave some of the powders, then it does feel like it's exfoliating at the same time. Yeah, so I have been really loving this green tea enzyme powder. I really highly recommend this product. I will have all the products linked down below, and you guys can use my code seoulsoul20 for 20% off when you guys buy any of these products. The next product I'm going to introduce to you guys is the Claire's Rich Moist Soothing Tinsel Sheet Mask. I've been loving this product to use right before I go to sleep at night. This mask has 5 types of ceramide that works together to strengthen the skin barrier. And the 3 basic ingredients in this mask is centella, asiatica extract, aloe vera leaf extract, and hyaluronic acid. And those are all things that we all know by now that improves your redness in your skin or acne, trouble skin. You guys already know that these are great ingredients for your skin. So what I like about this mask is that it actually comes in 2 parts, and that is actually rare to see. So you can just put it and match it to your face shape. As you guys know, I have acne prone skin and a lot of redness, but I'm also really dry inside, so I've got the worst of both worlds, you guys. I have oily skin but dry inside, and this has really helped me fix the dryness on the inside right before I go to sleep, so then the next morning I wake up and I don't feel any dryness at all. Got myself a Yakult. 15 minutes has already passed, but it's still moisturizing. So next, this is the vitamin C drop, and it actually has Centella Asiatica extract also in this. The texture looks like this. When you put it on your skin, it gets warm. It feels really warm to the skin. Rub it into my skin. If you have sensitive skin, you can put 1 to 2 drops with your serum or a cream, and it just rejuvenates your skin. It makes your skin feel a lot brighter the next morning after you use it. Last but not least, the product I'm going to introduce to you guys is this Midnight Cream. It says Midnight Blue Calming Cream, and it's intensive soothing care. So the texture, it looks like this, and it is blue. I loved it when it was blue. I was like, it is perfect with the name Midnight Blue Cream. Ooh, and I'm also wearing blue today, so it matches. Just rub it on my skin. So that was the last product I wanted to introduce to you guys. After I use all these products, honestly, my skin feels so soft and plump and moisturized. I will link all the products down below, and you guys can click through those links and order the products yourself and use my discount code to get 20% off. So please go check them out. Thank you again, Wishtrend, for sending me these products and collaborating with me for this video. Now I will see you guys at work. Bye! We got our cute little accessory headphones.
I'll see this on Kate's vlog some random day and be like, oh, Chuseok special. Hello.
Chuseok. Happy Chuseok, everybody.
Happy Chuseok.
Yay. We look like princesses. We're princesses. So pretty.
즐거운 한가위 보내세요.
안녕하세요. Hey guys.
Let's go, guys.
So you can finally try songpyeon for the
Yeah.
first time in your life.
Which one do you want to try first?
I don't know. Everything looks so good. Which one do you recommend I try first?
Try songpyeon.
Try Songpyeon first?
Yeah.
Which one is this?
Both
Songpyeon?
of them are songpyeon,
Yeah.
so you can just try it.
I'll just go for this one then.
Okay. I'm reading the comments. Oh my god, you guys look so pretty. Thank you.
Wow.
We are
Thank
wearing
you.
hanboks for you guys today, so please enjoy.
I haven't worn one since I was like 12 years
Oh
old.
my god, that's a
Yeah,
long time.
that's a long time.
How is your first taste of songpyeon?
It's so good. I love it. It's so good.
I'm gonna have 꿀떡 because this is my personal favorite. This is the
Okay.
one that they have honey in it. It's just but it's really good.
Let me try this pink one because I'm wearing a pink dress.
Kate loves pink, guys.
Mm-hmm.
You guys.
A YouTuber.
Look what's inside. If you guys can see.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, there's like all the sesame seeds in it, right? It's pretty good.
It was really good. It was like an old.
Kate's reaction.
Felix, I love Felix.
Oh,
Okay, so the video that you guys just saw is Stray Kids Thunderous or 소리꾼 in Korean. That's the Korean title of their newest release. And actually the 소리꾼 in Korean, it means a person who's doing 판소리, which is another Korean traditional music.
Hey guys! I came to a farmer's market with my mom for Chuseok. We're going shopping. Apparently it's a lot cheaper to buy fruits and vegetables and all these things at the farmer's market. So we are here. There's a huge farmer's market in Incheon, and that's the one we are at right now. I'll show you guys around. So we went to the fruit section first, and now we're going to go to the vegetable section, which is over there. If you guys don't know, fruits in Korea are so expensive, so it's cost efficient to come to a market first and buy all the fruits at once.
브로콜리 얼마예요?
1,000원입니다. 어느 걸로 드릴까요?
양상추 국산이고 국산이고.
자, 어서 오세요. 부산 가야 되는 건 빨리 빨리 3,000원씩.
나도 여기 새우 준 거예요. 세개짜리 안 좋아 3개 넣는 거예요.
2,000원 가져갈까리? 고추 안 매운 거.
I just got smacked in the face by my mom's onion. Scallion, I mean.
알겠습니다. 자, 한잔하시죠.
다 준 거야. 누구? 아니야, 아무것도.
맛있어.
너 육전 먹어봤니?
나는 없어. 서로 마음이
남자 새끼들이 그렇게 못된 계산을 하고 있으니까 정신 똑바로 차리고 새겨라. 예쁜 척. 둘이 찍어. 둘이 찍어. 한편 샀어 엄마?
Eating non-stop rice cake.
먹어보기 되게 힘들더만.